मैंने तलवार को दोबारा म्यान में रख दिया।
I placed the sword back into its sheath. I placed the sword back into its sheath.
आपको अपने हम जमातों के साथ चीजों को दुरुस्त करना होगा।
You have to make things right with your classmates. You have to make things right with your classmates.
मुझे अब भी एक नोट की जरूरत है।
I still need a note. I still need a note.
अचानक उसने जो कुछ किया था इस पर उसे हैरत हुई।
It suddenly struck her what she had done. It suddenly struck her what she had done.
इसने दरवाजा खोलने की कोशिश की।
She tried opening the door. She tried opening the door.
मैंने क्रिसमस के लिए अपने भतीजों के खिलौने खरीदे।
I bought my nephew's toys for Christmas. I bought my nephew's toys for Christmas.
मेरी आंखें और भी फैल गईं।
My eyes widened even further. My eyes widened even further.
वो अपनी मौसीकी के बारे में पुरजोश थी।
She was passionate about her music. She was passionate about her music.
मैं कभी नहीं भूला कि इससे पहले चीजें कितनी मुश्किल थी।
I never forgot how hard things were before. I never forgot how hard things were before.
इसने अपनी जई में चटक्की भर नमक की दरखास्त की।
She requested a pinch of salt in her oats. She requested a pinch of salt in her oats.
मंशियात ने थोड़ी मदद की।
The drugs helped a little. The drugs helped a little.
मुझे सिर्फ इतना याद है कि मैं अपने उस्ताद को फोन करना था।
I only just remembered I was meant to call my teacher. I only just remembered I was meant to call my teacher.
वो बात करते करते बहुत थक गया था।
He was too tired to talk. He was too tired to talk.
इसने गुस्से में एक शाख तोड़ दी।
She snapped off a branch in anger. She snapped off a branch in anger.
जैसे ही मैंने इसे देखा तो मेरी मुहाफिजी हिस्स बढ़ गई।
My guard went up immediately I saw him. My guard went up immediately I saw him.
बंदर इसके पास ही गिर गया।
The monkey dropped down beside him. The monkey dropped down beside him.
मेरे बाल एक नए अंदाज में कदरे पीछे मुड़े हुए थे।
My hair was twisted slightly back in a new style. My hair was twisted slightly back in a new style.
वो इसका बहौर मुताला करती चली गई।
She went on studying him carefully. She went on studying him carefully.
मैं अपने स्कूल में फर्क पैदा करने की कोशिश करता हूँ।
I try to make a difference in my school. I try to make a difference in my school.
वो काफी मतजस्सुस लग रहा था।
He seemed curious enough. He seemed curious enough.
इन्होंने जमीन पर घुटने टेके।
They knelt on the ground. They knelt on the ground.
हम तेज रोशनी से हैरान रह गए।
We were taken aback by the bright light. We were taken aback by the bright light.
मैं इसे एक नई रोशनी में देखने लगा।
I began to see him in a new light. I began to see him in a new light.
वो बमुश्किल 1 मिनट रुके।
They lingered barely a minute. They lingered barely a minute.
आप इसकी आवाज में ईमानदारी सुन सकते थे।
You could hear the honesty in his voice. You could hear the honesty in his voice.
मैं इसे 1 साल में हासिल कर सकता हूँ।
I can achieve that in a year. I can achieve that in a year.
इसके चेहरे पर शर्मिंदगी का कोई निशान नहीं था।
There was no trace of shame on her face. There was no trace of shame on her face.
इसके पास अपनी ड्राइंग के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं था।
He had nothing to offer except his drawings. He had nothing to offer except his drawings.
उसने एक लम्हे के लिए अपने माजी पर गौर किया।
She reflected on her past for a moment. She reflected on her past for a moment.
वो किसी ऐसी चीज पर काबू नहीं रख सकता जो इसकी ताकत से बाहर हो।
He can't control something that is beyond his power. He can't control something that is beyond his power.
इन्हें शो के बारे में बुरा एहसास था।
They had a bad feeling about the show. They had a bad feeling about the show.
वो हैरानी से खड़ा था जैसे उसे पहली बार देख रहा हो।
He stood amused as though seeing it for the first time. He stood amused as though seeing it for the first time.
इसके चेहरे पर गुस्से के बादल छा गए।
Her face clouded over in anger. Her face clouded over in anger.
मैं वो हूँ जिसे आप बूढ़ी रूह कहते हैं।
I am what you call an old soul. I am what you call an old soul.
माही गैरों ने इस दोपहर को एक बड़ी मछली पकड़ी।
The fisherman caught a big fish that afternoon. The fisherman caught a big fish that afternoon.
इसने उसकी तरफ एक फर्जी धक्का दिया।
She feigned a mock push toward him. She feigned a mock push toward him.
मैंने टूटे हुए अंडे को निकालने की कोशिश की।
I tried scooping up the broken egg. I tried scooping up the broken egg.
वो जल्द ही हुजूम में इसकी नजरों से ओझल हो गई।
She quickly lost sight of her in the crowd. She quickly lost sight of her in the crowd.
वो कम अज कम कुछ एहतराम तो दिखा सकता था।
He could have at least shown some respect. He could have at least shown some respect.
मैं जानता था कि ये कहाँ है।
I knew where it was. I knew where it was.
वो सारा दिन घर ही रही।
She stayed home all day. She stayed home all day.
हमने छुट्टियों में घर की सफाई में हिस्सा डाला।
We contributed to cleaning the house during the holidays. We contributed to cleaning the house during the holidays.
वो खोया हुआ लगता था।
He seemed to be lost. He seemed to be lost.
बच्चे पर अपना गुस्सा निकालना बंद करें।
Stop taking out your anger on the child. Stop taking out your anger on the child.
बच्चों से तेज धार चीजें छीन लेनी चाहिए।
Sharp objects should be taken away from kids. Sharp objects should be taken away from kids.
इसे बाद में मालूम हुआ कि उसे शादी में क्यों नहीं बुलाया गया था।
He later knew why he wasn't invited to the wedding. He later knew why he wasn't invited to the wedding.
इसका दिल उदासी से बोझल हो रहा था।
Her heart felt heavy with sadness. Her heart felt heavy with sadness.
घर वापस आते ही वो फौरन सो गई।
She went to sleep immediately upon returning home. She went to sleep immediately upon returning home.
पानी के दबाव से छत फटने का खतरा है।
The ceiling threatened to burst from the water pressure. The ceiling threatened to burst from the water pressure.
हम सब रात के खाने से पहले पहुंच गए।
We all arrived before dinner time. We all arrived before dinner time.
इसने फौरी हिसाब किताब किया।
She performed a quick calculation. She performed a quick calculation.
गिलहरी एक दीवार पर चढ़ गई।
The squirrel climbed up a wall. The squirrel climbed up a wall.
वो फौरन सड़क के पार नजर आई।
She was spotted immediately across the street. She was spotted immediately across the street.
मेरा कपड़ा तार से फंस गया।
My cloth caught onto a wire. My cloth caught onto a wire.
वो हेलो कहने के लिए बाहर निकल आए।
They came out to say hello. They came out to say hello.
एक खेल के लिए लाठियों को एक साथ बांध दिया गया था।
The sticks were tied together for a game. The sticks were tied together for a game.
तूफान के दौरान छत गिर गई।
The roof fell in during the storm. The roof fell in during the storm.
सूरज गुरूब होते ही बादल सुर्ख हो गए।
The clouds turned bright red at sundown. The clouds turned bright red at sundown.
कागजी हवाई जहाज नीचे गिरने से पहले 1 मिनट के लिए उड़ता रहा।
The paper plane flew for a minute before falling down. The paper plane flew for a minute before falling down.
गाड़ी खतरनाक रफ्तार से उसकी तरफ बढ़ी।
The car rushed towards her at an alarming speed. The car rushed towards her at an alarming speed.
इन्होंने साथ वाले घर से चीखों की आवाजें सुनी।
They heard screams coming from the house next door. They heard screams coming from the house next door.
बिल्ली खूबसूरती से फर्श पर उतरी।
The cat landed elegantly on the floor. The cat landed elegantly on the floor.
सनक एक जोरदार धड़के से गिर गया।
The sink fell with a heavy thud. The sink fell with a heavy thud.
वो कैमरे के पीछे झुक गया।
He ducked behind the camera. He ducked behind the camera.
इसने दही का ढक्कन उतार दिया।
She whipped off the cap of the yogurt. She whipped off the cap of the yogurt.
चरवाहे जानवरों पर चीखते रहे।
The herdsman shouted at the animals. The herdsman shouted at the animals.
पानी की बोतल इसके हाथ से गिर गई।
The water bottle fell from his hand. The water bottle fell from his hand.
जानवर को दूर से देखा गया।
The animal was spotted from afar. The animal was spotted from afar.
उनकी बातों पर मुसलसल खुलूस के साथ जोर दिया जाता रहा।
His words were continually asserted with sincerity. His words were continually asserted with sincerity.
पैरामेडिक्स जाए वक़वा पर पहुंच गए।
The paramedics rushed to the scene. The paramedics rushed to the scene.
वो बमुश्किल पुलिस से बच निकलने में कामयाब हुई।
She barely managed to escape the police. She barely managed to escape the police.
अपनी सेहत का ख्याल न रखने का नतीजा तबाहकुन होगा।
Not taking care of your health will end disastrously. Not taking care of your health will end disastrously.
मैंने आज मुख्तलिफ नौकरियों के लिए दरखास्त दी।
I applied for a series of jobs today. I applied for a series of jobs today.
इसने इस मंजर की मंजरकशी अपने ज़हन में की।
He pictured the scene in his head. He pictured the scene in his head.
बच्चे खामोश बैठे रहे।
The children sat in silence. The children sat in silence.
उस्ताद रोते हुए लड़के को तसल्ली देने के लिए तेजी से आगे बढ़ा।
The teacher moved fast to console the crying boy. The teacher moved fast to console the crying boy.
मेरे पास एक आइडिया है जिससे मसला हल हो जाएगा।
I have an idea that would solve the problem. I have an idea that would solve the problem.
मैंने तस्वीर पर बड़े पैमाने पर मुस्कुराया।
I grinned widely at the picture. I grinned widely at the picture.
वो पूरी तवज्जो से तकरीर सुन रही थी।
She listened to the speech with intensity. She listened to the speech with intensity.
इसने इम्तिहानी पर्चे में तकरीबन तमाम सवालात के जवाबात दिए।
He answered almost all the questions in the exam paper. He answered almost all the questions in the exam paper.
मैं ऑनलाइन मीटिंग में शामिल होने का इंतजार कर रहा था।
I was waiting to be added to the online meeting. I was waiting to be added to the online meeting.
कौंसिल खामोशी से मुजरिम का इंतजार करती रही।
The council waited in silence for the offender. The council waited in silence for the offender.
वो अपना मंसूबा हरकत में लाई।
She put her plan in motion. She put her plan in motion.
ऐसा करना बुरा काम होगा।
That would be a wicked thing to do. That would be a wicked thing to do.
इसने ऐसा असतफी दिया कि मैं परेशान हो गया।
He sounded so resigned that I was worried. He sounded so resigned that I was worried.
मैं स्कूल में एक ड्रामे का ऑडिशन देना चाहता था।
I wanted to audition for a play at school. I wanted to audition for a play at school.
इसे किसी न किसी तरह लगा कि उसे मुंतखब नहीं होना चाहिए था।
He somehow felt he should not have been selected. He somehow felt he should not have been selected.
थोड़ी देर में एक बार खतरा मोल लेने की कोशिश करें।
Try taking risks once in a while. Try taking risks once in a while.
वो अपने बच्चे को अपनी नजरों से दूर नहीं जाने देती थी।
She would not let her child go away from her sight. She would not let her child go away from her sight.
मुझे इस नए साल में बेहतर चीजों की उम्मीद है।
I hope for better things this new year. I hope for better things this new year.